was a cold and terrible evening. The wind was blowing like a fuse, and the rain was like that of a king. I was nestled here between the arms of my armchair, when presently issued from the great hall a great rumbling dong from the great bell. No, it really was more of a great rumbling dong. Yes. Swift was my march to the door, and as I flung it ajar, the postman handed me a most peculiar package. A chilling feeling of trepidation filled my bones as I carried the mysterious package further into my abode. With trembling hands, I unsealed the box. Presently, my worst fears were realized as my gaze fell upon the loathsome object within. I recoiled from it in horror, but I knew what must be done. I hefted the putrid travesty upon a noxious backdrop, and out pointed I the various putrescent little details. The locomotive was large, it was repulsive, and it can only be described as a foul Chinese excretion. The tender claimed to have size acreage capability, but I knew not the meaning of this. The motley collection of engine and rolling stock slithered around the worthless circuit of track like a poisonous serpent. The engine ran about as well as a one-legged horse in a worldwide search to find the one animal with the world's highest limb count. A sudden wave of uncontrollable anger surged through my body. Bludgeoned was the locomotive in my fit of rage. A small nugget of vile train set pierced my eye. The pain was terrible, but I just laughed. Much was my merriment after the destruction of the accursed toy. I returned to my chair to enjoy the remainder of my ritual, and I take this opportunity to wish all of my countrymen a very happy